Let's begin with the particular poem, The Shower. Ice breaking. Make a list of words related to the agriculture. शेती आणि त्याच्या संबंधित शब्दांची यादी तयार करा. फार्मर्स, क्रॉप, फील्ड, शो, रीप, प्लॉट, इरिगेशन, rainfall, harvest are the word related to the agriculture. Discuss the agricultural activity carried out by the farmers: plotting, sowing, irrigations, and harvesting. That's the particular activity by the farmers are doing in our country. Engineering, teaching, medical field are very sought after. Other professional occupations thought they make a significant contribution to the society do not get their due. तर समाजात महत्त्वपूर्ण सहाय्य करणाऱ्या परंतु त्यांना त्यांचे श्रेय न मिळणाऱ्या उद्योजक व्यवसायांची यादी करा. So farmer, highly unpredictable economical grain. Conservational workers engage in the occupations involving the health risk in the unsanitary conditions without the required work gears and equipments. House helper, no paid time for no minimum wages assured, no old age benefits. Street vendors, uncertainly income harassments. So that is the way you have to be some kind of the problems, and that has not get some kind of their particular the incomes by doing that. Agriculture is the backbone of our Indian economy. Fill in the boxes supporting the statement. This statement complete the following web diagrams. तर शेती व्यवसाय भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्थेचे आधारस्तंभ असतो. या विधानाला पाठपुरावा करणारे रकाने भरा. ॲग्रिकल्चर the backbone of India. The larger part of Indian population is involved in agriculture. Indian entire population of the farm, more than billions, depends every on the food crops grown by our farmers. Survive the population without others industries like IT and automobiles is possible, but not without agriculture. So last, divert the geographical and climate of India allow the variety of crops to be grown suited to the local conditions. So that is the way you have to be some kind of the agriculture backbone of India. Introduction of the poem or the writers. Victor Hugo, poet, novelist, dramatist of the 19th century, was the most important of the French romantic writer. In 19th century, Victor Hugo that became the romantic writer in French. He became novelist and dramatist. Though they regard it the France as one of the country's greatest poet, he is better known for novelist and Notre Dame de Paris 1831 and Les Miserables 1861. So that the one of the famous French writer, the great poet and best known for his novel, and 1831 Notre Dame de Paris and Les Miserables 1862 written by him. Torulata Datta, the Bengali poet, also known as Toru, wrote in the English and French, was born on 4th March 1856 in Kolkata. In Kolkata, she had to be born in 4th March 1856 and she was known as Toru, written in English and French poems, and she was famous for Bengali poets. She is considered to be the first Indian poetess to write verse in English and French. So she was the first Indian poet written in English as well as French. She translated dozens of poems and completed the novel before he died at the age of 21. So how she was great. She translated dozens of poems and completed the novel before the death of her age of 21. Her poems such as Sita, lotus, and our Chauceria tree are the well loved. About the poem, The Shower is translate of Victor Hugo's poems. Caesar de Similia Lissoir is translated by the Toru Datta from French to English. So, the Shower poem is translated from the Victor Hugo's poems, and that became from French to English. The Shower is the poem about the farmers, and this poem is related to the farmers who is sowing seed. What he had done, sowing seed. He has been many bad harvests in his life. However, he is so optimistic of having a good harvest every time he tosses grain. So, तर या सगळ्या पोएम्स तिने जे ट्रान्सलेट केले आहेत त्या फ्रेंचमधून इंग्लिशमध्ये आहेत. मेनली ही पोएम विक्टर ह्यूग यांची होती आणि तिने फ्रेंचमधून इंग्लिशमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट केलेली आहे. सो नाव द ॲक्च्युअल पोएम. The shower, sitting in the porchway cool, sunlight I see dying fast, twilight hasten nor on the rule, working hours have well nigh passed, shadow runs across the land. So here is the porchway, veranda, covered shelter in front of building, hasten. So there is an word, hasten means hurry. So well night, almost but not completely, exactly just about. So now this means the poet is seated in the porch of her house, watching the evening scenes before her. The sun is setting, twilight has set, daylight as fast fading the nightfall upon the earth. कवित्री तिच्या घराच्या प्रवेशद्वाराशी सायंकाळी दृश्य पाहत निवांत बसली होती. सूर्य झपाट्याने मावळत आहे आणि आकाशात अति संधी प्रकाश पसरू लागला आहे. जमिनीवरच्या सावल्याचा खेळ सुरू झाला आहे. But the shower lingers still, old in rag. He patiently stands looking on. I feel thrill. The word shower. Shower means the person who explained to seed, linger, hang around the remained. So it means that the working hours are almost over, but in the dampness of the dust, she sees the farmer still along his field. He describes him the old and poor, patient, surveying the land around him. कामाची वेळ जवळपास संपत आलेली असूनही समोरच्या शेतात शेतकरी अजून रेंगाळत ती पाहते. म्हातारा जीर्ण कपड्यात तो कष्टकरी माणूस चिकाट्याने शेतात काम करताना पाहून कवित्रीच्या मनात त्याच्याविषयी विलक्षण आदरची आपुलकीची भावना दाटून येते. बट ब्लॅक अँड हाय हिज स्लॉटी dominate the flurry deep. Now saw the task is to set. So that became the black man has to be there, and she perceived the feeling respect and peace and figure in darkness, even the skinny toward the tower of the plot soil, and his ready task his hand. मीन्स मावळत्या संधी प्रकारे भव्य आकृती नांगरलेल्या शेतात पसरलेली दिसते. शेतकरी पेरणीच्या कामासाठी सज्ज होता. Soon shall come to the reap, march along the plain, to and fro the scattered wide from his hand his precise grain. Means he was going to show the seed with something the future will be harvest. The old farmer walked down the scattered the seeds. मीन्स पेरणीचं झाल्यानं लवकरच कापणी येईल अशी त्याची आशा ओळी बाळगताना हातात धान्य मौल्यवान मोती त्या ओळीत पसरत पुढे जात त्याच्या कामात कवयित्री गर्क होऊन पाहत असते. डार्कनेस डिपन म्यूज आय सी हिम स्टाईल. डार्कनेस डिपन द फेल्ड इन लाईट. नाव हिज गेस्चर ऑफ माइन आईज आर अगस्ट and strangers. His height seemed to be touched and starry skies. So the old farmers walked down the scattered and sealed methodically under the darkness skies. The poet's deep the thought, watch him. He is noble to impressive figure, and he seemed to touch the starry sky from where she was watching. उजेड आणि आता हळूहळू मंदावत आहेत. अंधार अगदी गडद होऊन पार्श्वभूमीच्या कामात घडलेल्या शेतकऱ्याची मूर्ती कवितेला विलक्षण तेजस्वी ओजस्वी भासते. जणू त्याची प्रतिमा तिला आभाळा एवढी प्रभावी व उदात्त झाल्यासारखी वाटते. Brainstorming. There are a number of challenges of farmers in India faces. Discuss with your friend and how it is possible to improve the condition of farmer. Challenges and solution. Water, scarcity, rainwater harvesting. तर भारतीय शेतकऱ्यांच्या अनेक आव्हानांना तोंड द्यावे लागतात. शेतकऱ्यांची स्थिती कशी सुधारण्यात येईल याविषयी तुमच्या मनात मित्रांशी चर्चा करा. क्रेडिट अँड indebtedness. Implementation policies for farmers easily bank borrowing, land issues, government interventions to support the poor farmers, climate change, education and awareness among the farmers to take insurance for the poor yield due to the natural calamity, public policies to improve environment and stop the destructions of forest spaces for the industries, social group, farmers formulations and appropriateness social group and get information about the government policies, best seed, best market prices, lack of advantage and technologies, latest development in agriculture, agri-tech must be brought to farmers, cooperates especially cold storage, transport, marketing, value additions and the preserving technologies and perishable products, diversifications. Education of farmers grow the variety of crops suited to the local conditions and market demands. Market risks, support price, MSP values, additions, equipments, known how far cold storage, food processing technology must be provided, installed confidence in the farmers. That's the things are mentioned in that particular question. The poet has observed the shores closely. Express your own words and presume the poet has for the shores. कवयित्रीने अगदी जवळून शेतकऱ्याचे निरीक्षण केले. शेतकऱ्याविषयी कवितेला असलेला नितांत आदर तुमच्या शब्दात व्यक्त करा. So observe that the old farmer is still at work due dusk. He does not end his work just because it is twilight or because others may have ended their work day. She feels the wonders and respect. I feel thrill at his dark shape alone in this field, looming over his land. He dutifies plot up and down, showing is he lost in thoughts. She is aware at the delight for the work alone, in order that many may eat. In the poet prompts to call the shore august personality, which means one who is react the high positions in his workplace. Explain your following. Hard work means शेतकरी आदरणीय भव्य व्यक्ती म्हणण्यास उदयुक्त होते. याचा अर्थ आपल्या कामाचा अतिशय उच्च स्थानी पोहोचणं आहे असे पुढे दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांवर वापरू. हार्ड वर्क. द फार्मर्स हॅज द लेबर एव्हरी डे from sun up to sundown, preparing the land, sowing, weeding, fertilizing, irrigation, feeding of pestilence, washing stray animals, constantly fearing the bad weathers, praying for the rains, shine at the right stage for his field of standing crops, and of all the goes well may able to harvest it. He must again get the good price for it toils and eke out the livelihood. There are many things that could go wrong in spite of the back-breaking toils. So another is preservations. The farmers in the course of the encountered means adversities, too much rain or too little, winds, wind, and immense sickness plants and his family threatens. He preserved the nevertheless tenants land that bound will fields, not the farmers alone, but the fallen men, the inner courage and face the difficulties and challenges, determination to the hard labor, showing the farmers' preservations. So pick out the examples of alliteration. Alliteration is very easier ones, but sure sting. So yes, 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 that is the example of alliterations. So F5, write the appreciation poet, consider the following points. तर दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांचे अनुसरून कवीचे रसग्रहण करा. Theme of the poem and poets. The poet's story is described by the lone farmer's toils a field watched after the shadows. Thoreau in his translated Victor Hugo's poems speak the praise and dedication. Theme. The theme of the owens around the theme, farmer surveying his land, taking upon himself hard working and still it, and plodding into the night, and after the day is done, he neither help nor accompany but what needs doing. Poetic device language styles. The poet has used the device like alliteration, imaginary symbol, create the scene in the reader's mind, rhyme scheme, ABAB, providing the please rhythms of to read aloud. The language compares the word uses in manner create the commanding figures. The black and high is the silhouette dominance symbolizes the huge figure against the sky. This the poet himself unawares the seat and tone the reader's mind. Look the farmers and respect awareness which we must give him. Special features and novelties and focusing element. There is emphasize two aspects hard working with the farmers perform uncomplaining days and nights. Some examples are sure lingers and short march. The other aspect the viewer description dust sitting suns and figures against the sunset. Value message. The poem gives us a very important message. It brings the focus on the importance of the farmers and unrecognized service in society. However, much money and much purchase cannot be eat the money. Once the need farmers are once very surviving. Your opinion about the poem. The poem is effectively creating the positive and respectful picture of the farmer, his farmer's simple life and stories stick in seen in this way. The poet describes his action. So today we have completed here the particular questions and poems. So you will study hard and write down all that in your notebook. And if any queries, you will ask me. Thank you.